Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to split team expenses in Expensify. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to split team expenses in Expensify, you can simply go to Expensify. Once you're in Expensify, all you gotta do is simply use the split expense feature from a chat thread by uploading a receipt or manually entering the total. You need to select the individual to split with and then click on the split option. Alternatively, for existing splits or like existing expenses in the expenses tab, you need to click on the expense, scroll the button, and simply go to the bottom of the sheet and select the split expense option to choose between splitting evenly or by a custom amount for each person. So you can simply start a new chat and simply split team expenses in Expensify. This is simple and easy method and can save your time so much. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.